TJ's looking the house. Day number 3, we're getting ready to go. We have packed everything. TJ is very happy. Do you want to sit in front?
Huh?
Do you want to sit in front? Okay. Short little gas stop. We're on our way to Bologna. The girls just went out of the car to grab some coffee, go to the bathroom, and so we're on our way to a city near Bologna called Mugello, I believe, because Elona, one of her friends, is a general manager for Lamborghini. So we're gonna go there, see whether we can take any pictures with the cars, and also have lunch over there. They have made a reservation, so yeah, looking forward to getting more food in my stomach because I'm pretty hungry right now.
Outside ready for us?
We're here.
No, but
It looks like we made it. Welcome to the Lamborghini Museum. Wow, look at how retro this looks. Insane. So we're walking through the museum right now, and they have a lot of old retro models of Lamborghini. Wow, look at this. 2-seater, and it's separated in the middle. Vlogception. Stopped in this little alley to have lunch because I'm starving. They had pizza when we stopped at the gas station, so they're not as hungry, but
you're lost. I offered you some.
true, I wasn't hungry at that time, but now I'm hungry. So we finished having lunch a while ago, and we've been driving for a couple of hours now. We're nearby that place where there's the windy roads and the trees, so we're trying to get there. It's in the middle of the countryside in Italy, on our way back to Rome. But now we're just having a little bit of rest because long roads, windy roads, you know, it's not the most comfortable, I have to say. So yeah, just resting up for a bit, and gonna start driving again in maybe about like 10-15 minutes.
Whole setup. It's so little.
Interesting. That's how we travel compact.
We have located the destination. We've discovered the target. Come on.
Yes, we're venturing off to the proper adventure. Elona and TJ are staying in the car for a moment. I think Elona wants to rest, and TJ needs to get some work done, so she's editing on her laptop, and we are walking towards that famous spot. Is it famous?
Pretty popular.
Yeah, it's popular around here. So we're walking towards that spot, and we still have 2 hours until sunset, so we're gonna scout the location and try to see from where we can get the best pictures. I might take a nap if I find a good place to nap. This is the pretty popular area with the windy roads over there. All the trees on the side of the road, so we're gonna try to get a couple of shots here, and maybe just get a couple of shots right now, just in case the sunset doesn't go right. But it's a bit harsh right now, so. Anywhere we walk here, it looks insane. Look at the sun flare on that side. And the sun is setting, so we're going back to the car to take the drone because I want to make sure I drone this.
Jerome and his drone.
Okay, recording. best light right now, so everyone is shooting. There's a couple of other photographers around here. All set up their tripod for the best light. Sunset is looking pretty insane. Pretty happy with the drone shots that I got. Did a couple of flights. And yeah, it was pretty awesome, so I'm happy with those. Done with the sunset shoot. It was pretty successful, I'd say, but the light went out really fast. Now we're trying to speed back to Rome because we need to return the car at the airport. So Elona and her fierce driving is going to be helpful for once.
My what?
Your fierce driving.
Oh, fierce.
We're back in Rome. We gave back the rental car, and now we're in the taxi heading towards our hotel. DJ is here.
5-star hotel!
And there's so much space in this car because our rental car was pretty tight. And this one is pretty spacious, so I'm like lying down. Just got to our hotel in Rome. TJ is currently checking in at the reception. It looks very grand. This is actually my first time seeing it, and yeah, there's not that many people.